In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin chats in Gemini. Pinning is a simple way to keep your most important conversations right where you can find them, so you don't waste time scrolling or searching. Whether you're tracking a project, saving a brainstorming thread, or just keeping a frequent chat handy, this quick setup will make your sidebar work smarter for you. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to gemini.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Gemini interface with your chat history in the left sidebar. That sidebar is your main hub for navigating conversations. If you have a lot of chats, you might see a long list. That's normal, and pinning will help bring order to it. Next, look through the left sidebar to find the conversation you want to pin. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the title or the brief preview text. If your list is long, a quick scan down the sidebar usually does the trick. As you hover your mouse over a chat in that list, some controls will appear. Now, move your cursor to the three-dot menu next to the chat. This icon is the ellipsis, and it's where Gemini keeps quick actions for each conversation. Depending on your screen size, the menu might only appear when you hover over the chat name. So don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Just move your mouse over the conversation entry. Click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Pin from the options. When you select Pin, Gemini immediately promotes that conversation near the top of your chat list. You'll notice it shift position and settle into a prominent spot, making it much easier to reach the next time you open Gemini. This is especially helpful if you regularly switch between several threads. Pinning keeps the ones you use the most right at your fingertips. After pinning, take a second to verify the change. You should see the chat near the top of the sidebar, clearly separated from your unpinned conversations. If you don't see it move right away, try hovering over the sidebar or clicking away and back. It's often just a quick refresh of the list. You can repeat the same process for any other conversations you want to keep within easy reach, and you can pin more than one. That's all there is to it. Open Gemini, find your chat, click the three dots, choose Pin, and enjoy quicker access every time you return.